Hey you guys, welcome to my video today. Thanks so much for being here. I just got home from a Walmart grocery pickup and got all of our groceries for the whole week. I was under budget this week. I like to spend around $200 per week for all of our groceries, and this week I was at $196. So just love being under budget, and this is everything we're having for the week. So I'll share with you our groceries, and I will also share with you our meal plan for the week. And for this weekend, make sure you stop back by for my meal prep video. I am going to be doing all of my meal prepping, breakfast, lunch, dinner, and snacks for myself for 1,100 calories. So I'm gonna use all this food, prep it all up, but my calories for each day of the week are gonna be at 1,100. So I'll show you everything I'm making for that meal prep for the week. So that will be on Saturday morning. But I'm gonna go through all the food, share it with you guys. And if you're new to my channel, make sure you click subscribe. I love sharing with you my grocery haul videos, what I'm getting for the week, what the whole family enjoys having, and what we're having for our meals. So I'm gonna show you what I got in our pickup today. So sometimes Walmart will do a substitution if they don't have the item that I put on my order. But today I had 0 substitutions and 0 out of stock items, which is awesome. I love that they just have everything that I needed. So I'm gonna show everything to you guys. All right, tons of fruit, you guys. So yesterday when I was doing the order on my phone, Benjamin was like, order this, order that. So they wanted tons of fruit, strawberries, blueberries. We go through a ton of apples, grapes, they like green grapes, tons of bananas, 2 little bundles of bananas, avocados we love. So tons of fruit. Got a cucumber for my snack this week. A big box of Cheerios. The boys love these multigrain ones. They also love oatmeal in the mornings. It's super easy. These big packs of oatmeal are really inexpensive, so I like to stock up the pantry with them. Our favorite snacks, my kids, my husband love these yogurt covered raisins. They do not last long in our house. Some water flavorings, this Mio berry pomegranate. It is delicious, you guys. 0 calories. So this whole little thing, it says it makes 24 8-ounce servings, which so good, and gives it so much flavor. This is another dragon fruit water enhancer. Really, really good. There's 10 little packets in here, but tons of awesome flavor. If you need some help drinking some extra water, just put a little water enhancer in there and you'll just chug water all day, seriously. So I got our eggs for the week. I get an 18 pack. Just like a couple months ago, eggs were insanely priced. It was like $11 for an 18 pack. This 18 pack costs $3.08. So I am so happy that eggs have gone down in price. That is like the most exciting thing, you guys. I got this maple sausage, and it's frozen. You just heat it up. It's already cooked, but it's really, really good. It's this big, huge bag. It lasts us a while, but it's delicious. We love the maple flavoring. And so also I got these Egg Life wraps. They are really good, you guys. So this is just the original flavor, but 25 calories, 5 grams of protein, 0 carbs. So I'm going to be using these for my breakfast this week on my low calorie meal prep. And then I also got these everything bagel seasoning Egg Life wraps, 35 calories per wrap. So these are so good. I've had the original before, and then they have like a cinnamon one they can do like kind of dessert type wraps with, but these are awesome, so low in calories. Got some Rotel that I love using with like ground turkey to do like a Southwestern like scramble bowl, cottage cheese, tons of carrots. My kids eat tons of carrots. This yogurt, this Too Good, it's 2 grams of sugar per serving for each cup of yogurt, 80 calories, 12 grams of protein, 4 carbs. So this brand it's awesome, you guys. It tastes good, super healthy for you. So got some of that. Asparagus, we're gonna have salmon one night for dinner, so we're gonna have asparagus with that. I got sliced cheese, shredded cheese, just a small thing of milk this week. Lettuce for my salads. That you guys know I have salads like every week because they're my favorite. Tons of frozen fruit. My husband makes smoothies every day. So big old bag of strawberries and big old bag of blueberries. I have 2 things of riced cauliflower because I absolutely love it. And let's see, Zachary likes salami in his lunches, so got a big pack of that. In here is turkey bacon. So it is 45 calories per slice, super healthy, and I'm going to use this for my lunch meal or for my breakfast meal prep for this weekend. Then I got some regular bacon for the family. A big old thing of vodka, you guys. So I was even kept our grocery budget under, even with getting alcohol for the week. I got some ground chicken, regular chicken breast, some salmon. We're gonna have salmon for dinner one night. Some regular bread. Benjamin loves this bread for his peanut butter sandwiches. It's less than $2 for this whole loaf, and it's like super soft, but he really likes this bread. And then the sandwich thins that my husband uses for his lunches. And then, you guys, I did not get these at Walmart. I ordered them on Amazon, and they came in last week. But I love this brand, Palmini, and I do normally get it from Amazon in the cans. But this is Palmini, like mashed potatoes. 4 grams of carbs, 30 calories per serving. So I have not tried this before. I am really, really excited. It's gluten-free, sugar-free. I love their Palmini Hearts of Palm noodles, the linguine ones. So I got this angel hair version, which I'm very excited to try. The same, 4 grams of carbs, 20 calories per serving. So this company, Palmini, they were on the show Shark Tank. I don't know if you guys have heard of that, but they pitched their company to Shark Tank. So pretty cool. And I am loving their products. So I ordered all this new stuff from Amazon. So this is a Palmini Hearts of Palm rice. So it's vegan, gluten-free, non-GMO. So this is just awesome stuff, you guys. And I love the linguine, so I'm very excited to try these 3 new things. So it is available on Walmart online, and it was all the same price on Amazon. And the Amazon just got here quicker for me. So I ordered all of these, and I will definitely let you guys know how that is. But here's the groceries, and now I'll share with you what we're having for our meal plan. All right, you guys, so I just write our meals just on just a little piece of regular binder paper. So for my meal prep for under 1,100 calories is everything I'm gonna make. I'm gonna do the Egg Life wraps with turkey bacon and some cheddar cheese. For snack is yogurt. For lunch, riced cauliflower burrito bowl. I'm gonna do a snack pack with cucumber, fruit. I'm gonna do some edamame, and what else do I have? I think I'm gonna do cherry tomatoes as well. And pickles. I wanted to add pickles into my snack pack. And then for dinner, mason jar Caesar salad. So I can rotate back and forth the mason jar salad and the burrito bowl, and for lunch and dinner. And then for dinners for the family on Tuesday. So tonight we're gonna do salmon and asparagus. Tomorrow we're gonna do chicken, apple sausage, and broccoli. Tuesday, barbecue chicken with edamame. We got tacos, spaghetti, chicken burritos, and then Monday we're gonna eat all the leftovers that we have, and then I'll go back to the store on Tuesday morning. So I like to do our grocery shopping on Tuesday mornings. It's the most convenient for me to get everything we need for the week. So that is our meal plan, you guys, and this is all of the groceries. So we are set for the week. I hope that you guys have a really great week. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you're new, and click that bell button so you get a notification, and also put a like on this video and a comment if you have any questions. Hope you guys have a really great day. I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.